हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम यू ऑल टू माय न्यू वीडियो। आई होप आप लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे एंड आपकी नीट की प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छी चल रही होगी। सो फ्रेंड, आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन के कुछ PYQs को हम देखेंगे। सो माय टुडेज कोटेशन इज़ फियर किल्स मोर ड्रीम देन फेलियर एवर विल। सो इस ब्यूटीफुल कोटेशन के साथ लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। सो योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following are found in extremis line condition? And this question asked in 2017. So your option is Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, Cyanobacteria, Mycobacteria, and the correct option is Archaebacteria. And now we can see the question number 2 is maximum nutritional diversity is found in the group, and the option is fungi, Animalia, Monera, Plantae. And this question also asked in 2012. So the correct option is option C, Monera. And now we can see the and अब हम देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज इन द 5 kingdom classification Chlamydomonas and cholera have been included in. So your option is Protista, algae, Plantae, Monera, and your correct option is Protista. And now we can see the question number 4 is in which kingdom would you classify the archaea and nitrogen fixing organism if the 5 kingdom system of classification is used? And your option will be Plantae, fungi, Protista, Monera, and the correct option is Monera. And now we can see the question number 5th. So your question number 5th is in 5 kingdom system the main basis of classification is. So remark my words, the main basics. So हम देखेंगे मेन बेसिस क्या है. So your option is structure of nucleus, mode of nutrition, structure of cell wall, and asexual reproduction. So the correct option according to the question is mode of nutrition. And now we can see the question number 6 is in the 5 kingdom system of classification, which single kingdom out of the following can include blue-green algae, nitrogen-fixing bacteria, and methanogenic bacteria? And this question asked in 1998. So the option is Plantae, Protista, Monera, and fungi. So the correct option is Monera. And now we can see the question number 7th is BZA, which also known as blue-green algae, are included in which of the following group? And your option is Bryophyta, Prokaryotes, Protista, fungi, and the correct option is Prokaryotes. And now we can see the question number 8 is an important criteria for modern day classification is. So the correct option is anatomical and physiological traits, and so the correct option is B. And now we can see the question number 9th is, so basically this is a match the following column. So the question is halophiles, archaebacteria, methanogen and cyanobacteria, and इसका मैं बताने की रहते क्या इससे है. So hot spring, aquatics, guts of ruminants and salty area. So the हमें लग सी मिथेनोजेंस तो हमें पता ही है कि ये गट्स ऑफ रूमिनेट्स में रहते हैं, एंड जो हमारा हेलोफिल्स है वो हमें रहता है साल्टी एरिया में. सो अगर हम करेक्ट ऑप्शन मैच करें so the correct option is A. Option number A. Now we can see the question number 10th is which of the following are found in extremely saline condition? And the option is Eubacteria, Cyanobacteria, Mycobacteria, and Archaebacteria. So the correct option is Archaebacteria. And now we can see the question number 11 is which of the following are the smallest living cell known without a definite cell wall, pathogenic to plants as well as animals, and can survive without oxygen? And your option is Pseudomonas, Mycoplasma, Nostoc, and Bacillus. And this question also asked in 2017. So the correct option is mycoplasma without any doubt. We all know that कि mycoplasma ही एक ऐसा है मोनेरेंस में जो कि विदाउट ऑक्सीजन सर्वाइव कर सकता है. And we can now we see the question number 12 is which of the following component provide sticky characters of the bacterial cell. So this is also a very easy question and this also asked in 2017. So ऑप्शन देख के हम लोग ऑप्शन भी देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज शी ग्लाइकोलाइलिक्स. And now we can see the question number 13 is DNA replication in bacteria occur. So option is within nucleus, and second is prior to fission, third one is just before transition, and fourth is during S phase. सो फ्रेंड्स इसमें हम देखें तो मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट इसमें मिस्टेक कर देते हैं कि वो ड्यूरिंग एस फेज लगा देते हैं, बट इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा प्रायर टू फ्यूजन, बिकॉज क्योंकि ये बैक्टीरिया का डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन पूछा है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज प्रायर टू फ्यूजन. एंड नाउ वी कैन सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 इज मिथेनोजेंस बिलोंग टू, एंड द ऑप्शन इज यूबैक्टीरिया, आर्कीबैक्टीरिया, dinoflagellate slime modes, and your correct option is Archaebacteria. And now we can see the question number 15. The primitive prokaryotes responsible for the production of biogas from the dungs of the ruminant animals include the मिथेनोजन. इसमें भी ऑप्शन देखने की आपको बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. मिथेनोजेंस इज योर राइट आंसर. And now we can see the question number 16 is Archaebacteria differ from Eubacteria, and your option is cell membrane structure, mode of nutrition, cell shape, and your last option is mode of reproduction. So the correct option is cell structure, cell membrane structure. And now we can see the question number 17 is which of the following are likely to be present in deep sea water, and your option is blue-green algae, saprophytic fungi, Archaebacteria, and Eubacteria, and your correct option is Archaebacteria without any doubt. So this question is also asked in 2013. So you can see कि very easy questions asked from this chapter. And now you can see the question number 18 is pigment containing membranous extension in some cyanobacteria are. So without any doubt we can see the question is pigment containing membrane, and the correct option is your chromatophore. So C, second option is your correct option. And now we can see the question number 19 is the cyanobacteria is also referred as blue-green algae without any doubt. Students इसमें आपको बिल्कुल भी डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. And now we can see the question number 20 is the most abundant prokaryotes helpful to humans to making curd from milk and in production of antibiotics are the one of the ones categorized states. So your option is cyanobacteria, Archaebacteria, chemosynthetic autotrophs, and heterotrophic bacteria. So the correct option is heterotrophic bacteria. Now we can see the question number 21 is in Eubacteria, a cellular component that resembles eukaryotic cell is, and option is plasma membrane, nucleus, rhizosomes, and divinate cell wall. And this question is also asked in 2011, and your correct option is plasma membrane. And now we can see that the question number 22 is some hyperthermophilic organisms that grow in highly acidic habitats belong to the group Eubacteria and Archaebacteria. Second option is cyanobacteria and diatoms. Third is protists and mosses, and fourth is liverworts and yeast. And the correct option is Eubacteria and Archaebacteria. And now we can see the question number 23 is bacterial leaf blight of rice is caused by species, and the correct option is Anthothomas. And now we can see the question number 24 is true nucleus is absent in Fuchsia, Volvox, Anabaena, Mucor. This question asked in 2015 and the correct option is Anamana. Now we can see the question number 25 is the gut of cows and buffalo pauses, and option is methanogen, mucus, cholera and cyanobacteria. So friends, इसका आंसर आप लोग मुझे कमेंट करके बताइएगा। और आज के लिए बस इतना ही। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, एंड रिमेंबर प्लीज़ कीप स्माइलिंग। थैंक यू।